Hi traders, it's Roberto. It's Asian session on May 14th, 2013, and I went ahead and entered a few pairs, the signals for May 15th, which is sell US, Euro USD, Aussie USD, Pound USD, and New Zealand USD, buying Euro, Japanese Yen, and buying Euro, Australian Dollar. And because we do have news events coming out at 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, I probably will not hold these trades for a very long time. Just try to capture 20 pips off of each one, exit the trades, wait for the news announcement, and see what those numbers tell us in terms of sentiment across the board on several different pairs. And we're going to be looking at specifically the euro dollar, pound yen, euro yen for those trades. Okay, so again, as our trading strategy, as what we always do, is place trades if the market is below the main pivot point, and this is the euro dollar. Price is below the main pivot point on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart. It's bouncing off the 23% retracement level. If it manages to get back all the way up to the main pivot point, which is 129.59, I will enter another position, because that's a better entry, because there's a 38% retracement level on top of the main pivot point. So that's very high probability trade setup right there. And the other trade is New Zealand USD, and price is starting to show weakness. Swing high, swing low, price below the main pivot point, and our stop loss is about the 68% retracement levels. Let me just remove these lines and just show you exactly where I would put a stop loss. Again, swing high, swing low, and this line right here is a 68% retracement level, which is, let me just stretch this so we can see this better. So 68%, it's 82.57. So I would put a stop loss above, about 20 pips above the 61% retracement level. If market manages to go back up to these levels, I'll re-enter the market. I'll sell up here somewhere. And of course, I'm looking for a color change candle, kangaroo tail, anything that will tell me that the market is exhausted. Just like here, we had the market sold off yesterday. This is the retracement, gave us a color change candle, turned around and went south. So that's what we're looking for. The other trade is Euro Aussie dollar. This is the 61% retracement level, and I will re-enter the market if it manages to get down to these levels. But this is a strong support, and we're starting to see the market sort of finding support at this false break right there. So anywhere along these areas is a good place to buy. Okay, from 61% retracement level upward, anywhere here is a good place to buy. Stop loss 20 pips below the 61% retracement level, and we're looking for targets back at the swing high, which is 130.96, 131. We have the pound dollar, same thing. Here's a 61% retracement level. If price manages to break that level, that's our stop losses above there. So I did enter the market, and if again we have 38% retracement level on top of a pivot point, if pound dollar manages to get up to these levels, I'll re-enter the market and sell up here. And what else do we have? Pound, we've covered. New Zealand, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and that's it. See everyone in the trade room. Remember, it's opening the trade room about 10 minutes before the news events. It'll be about 4:45, 4:50 Eastern time in the morning, and we'll trade news events coming out of UK and Europe, and UK and also in Europe. There are 2 news events. So see everyone then. Have a good trading week.